How are you friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, like, subscribe now. So friends, in this our video for you have to do comparison and card. You have to your better and beautiful card, and you have to life security, and you have to check for this your choose, and you have to defend your lifestyle. So friends, these are two comparison, credit card versus debit card. So friends, you have to full to watch the video, and you have to try for this better your choice and card, and you have to these are the try again for this. So friends, video start and play now, and watch the full video till end. So friends, start of video. So friends, first debit card. So friends, debit card these are better, and you have to live for better now. So debit card use for this, you have to $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 use for, and easily your return for the 100, 500, $600 return for your card, debit card easily, and you have to use for online tools, pay for this your sweep up online buy sale, you have to debit card use for, you have to better for this, and return for the money earn easily for, you have to make money easily, and debit card and fast, and you have to earn daily for using, and debit card online return sweep up easily fast, and debit card, and you have to debit card this is a you have to your money for use for this not for the your bank money, and you have to your money, and this are debit card, and you have to use for only for use money, you have to your money, and only for debit card your life secure and security for this, and your money use for daily for this credit debit card, you have to easily, and credit card these are friends. So credit card you have to this bank for this your loan, and you have to use for credit card, and $1,000 use for per month, and you have to return for bank and loan style, and you have to charges and not for interest fast, and you have to not for return money for banks and credit card use for, and these are the your charges and interest hitly fast, and you have to problem create now and beginners. So friends, please you have to security and check for this credit card, why for this the agreement you check for this, and working for this credit card, and you have to credit card $1,000 use for, and you have to reward and cashback easily, you have to credit card only for 100, $200, $500 easily, and 1 5% also shopping use for, and you have to fashion and best for the life, and Italy product buy, and you have to 10% for the return reward, and you have to your earn the money fast, and you have to good for the credit card, but you have to your agreement check for this, and charges why for this, and you have to lifestyle better for this credit card, and only for check for all for the credit card don't not for this the easy, but you have to check for all conditions, and you have to why for this charges, and you have to important for check, and these are yearly monthly why for the charges, and credit card debit card these are easy, and you have to your money for this you, and only for you have to use your money online, you have to product buy, and you have to your 100, 200, 500 commissions, and you have to debit card, and credit card you have to reward, and 1 5% your year now, but you have to comparison for this, and your better for this why for this credit card debit card. So friends, you have to check for this all for conditions, why for this the charges and debit card, and why for interest, and you have to important for all four matter use for, and check for this important. So friends, please you have to check also reason, and why for this the workingness debit card and credit card. So friends, you have to security and important for your card, and check for the your why for the year and why for interest charges. So friends, please you have to also check and buy. So friends, please you have to like my video and subscribe and full to watch now, and you have to do comparison better, and you have to video check for this in your better card. So friends, like subscribe now. So friends, next video today's, so tomorrow. Bye friends.